Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper. Today is actually Sunday. It's in the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. Today we have no newspaper on Sunday. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition, but also in the edition of Friday, because in the yesterday's newspaper there's no extra puzzles. Yeah, so later on I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Let me start with this one, number 6175. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. We have here 4 ones. So the 5th one cannot be here. Then we have 3 ones. The 5th one cannot be there. Otherwise, we have 3 O's. So this should be an O. Oh, this should be an O. Yeah. Otherwise, we have 3 O's. Right, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Let me think. Now I'm stuck. Well, we have here 4 O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, so always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's.
Opruimen!
Yeah, almost dinner time. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, hand one, there one. Double one, hand O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, hand O, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Finishing 5 minutes. Again, same like the previous binary. This one also without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in the Friday edition. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.